Hello friends and welcome. Today's practice is all about our breath. It's about opening our lungs so we can get that deeper, fuller breath to allow ourselves to get into a calmer state of mind, a calmer state of being. So with that in mind, go ahead and find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our bodies calm, our mind relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Let's begin by getting in a neutral stance in Wu Ji, feet shoulder width apart, tailbone slightly tucked, tall, straight spine, and the crown of the head pointing up towards heaven. Your hands floating right around your waist with your palms facing down towards the earth. Taking a deep breath in, getting yourself centered and present for today's practice. We will start by activating an acupressure point, which is located right in the hollow underneath the collarbone. This is great for opening and clearing your chest and supporting your lungs. Making small rotations with medium pressure and breathing deep as you're doing so. These spots can feel really tender or tight, especially if you're dealing with any lung-related issues like asthma or bronchitis, or even if you're dealing with a lot of anxiety, which can make your lungs and your chest feel really tight. Give your arms a little shake, let it go, and we'll start with some tapping to set our intentions for today's practice. So tap where I tap and repeat after me. Starting on the inner brow, I choose to take this moment to focus on my breath. Outer eye, allowing it to become slow and steady. Under eye, breathing in healing energy and oxygen. Upper lip, and exhaling toxins, negative energy, unwanted emotions out of my body. Chin, my breath is my greatest tool. Collarbone, it allows me to have control of how I feel in this moment. Side of the body, the deeper I breathe, the calmer I become. Top of the head, my breath expanding and contracting my belly, calming and healing my mind and body. Placing one hand over top of the lungs and one on the lower belly, and taking one big cleansing breath in through the nose, and exhaling out through the mouth. Give it one more shake. Placing your forearms together in front of you, inhale, open up the chest. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest. Inhale, tailbone tucks back. Inhale, tailbone tucks in. Moving at your own speed, pairing your breath with the movement. Here we're opening and stretching the chest. And as you can see from the side, we're also opening up our spine. Opening up the front and the back of the body, allowing that breath to pull deeper into our belly. Now we'll begin to add a little twist, so coming down and then opening to the side and coming back to center. Inhale, opening to the opposite side and back to center. Keeping your legs strong and sturdy, allowing the movement coming from your hips and your torso. One more time on each side, inhaling, opening. Exhaling as you round and come forward. Inhaling and opening, drawing those arms back. Back to center and release. Inhaling, breathing in, guiding the energy through your body and back down into the earth. Stepping out wide, you can either stay up tall or sink down into a low horse stance, keeping your spine nice and tall. You're going to inhale as you turn to one side, exhale, sweeping across the front, and inhale to the opposite side. Inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale out the mouth as you come through the center. This is a bit of a lung detox. We're inhaling fresh new oxygen and chi, exhaling toxins and negative energy. Stretching out the lung tissue to help you release more toxins, as well as improve your lung capacity, allowing you to take those deeper and fuller breaths. Exhaling across, inhaling to the side, straight spine, and back to center. Give your legs, your feet a little shake, release some of that tension from standing in that horse stance. A little shake, back to Wuji, just to recenter ourselves for one breath. And inhale up, and exhale, pushing down. Coming into crane, spreads its wings, bring your feet together, squatting down, wrists crossed, arms open to the side like wings of a bird. Exhale, coming down, keeping your arms and your wrists, everything nice and relaxed. Inhale, stretch as you come up. Really visualizing your arms like wings of a bird. They're nice and soft and fluid with each movement. Exhale, coming down, crossing the wrist, and floating back up as you inhale, straightening the body, opening the chest. And this time as we inhale, lifting one leg, and exhale back down. Inhale, opposite leg, keeping your balance. Try to focus on one object in front of you, always works best. Exhaling as we come down, and inhaling up and lift. Trying your best to be as slow and graceful as possible as you lower the leg back down, doing it slowly and gently. One more time on the opposite side, inhaling up and exhaling, coming down. Stepping out for crane stretches upwards. Placing one hand on top of the other, rising up, leaning forward with a straight back, floating the arms down and back as your leg stretches behind you. Back to center. Inhale as you come up. Exhale, leaning forward, straightening and elongating the back. Inhale as your arms and leg float back. Exhale, back to center. And inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, back to center, and one more on the opposite side. Straightening, elongate that spine. Arms back, opening the chest, and back to center. And using your breath to flush through the body, inhale up, and exhale down. One more time, inhaling, flushing up, and exhale down. Holding your hands over top of your lungs, envisioning white light pouring from your hands into your lungs, filling them up, strengthening them, healing them, allowing them to pull fresh, new oxygen and energy into your body. Exhale, place your hands over your lower dantian, doing small rotations, holding them there for one moment, and paying gratitude to your body, to yourself for taking the time to do this practice. Stay here as long as you'd like, but this is where I'll leave you for now. I'll see you guys again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.